welcome to our channel Euclid Mathematics. We have started lecture series on MHT CET Mathematics, JEE Mathematics, and JEE Mains and Advanced too, and NET SET GATE like similar exams. So if you wanted to see similar videos, you can check it into my playlist. So in my today's video, I will explain to you all one of the question. It is from MHT CET Mathematics, where it is the involvement of a trigonometric function in some certain interval, and we have to figure it out the required answer for x. Okay, now let's get started our today's example. Here in my example number 34, we have given question the number of a solution of a sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x which is equal to 0 in the interval pi by 2 comma 3 into pi by 2 is. So we have to find out number of a solution, how many solution which exist for our trigonometric function, and condition one more is there. So interval it is specified. So what is the interval? Pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2. So that solution need to lie inside that interval. Okay, and we have to find out this number of solution. First option is A which is equal to 2, B which is equal to 3, third option C4, and fourth option D5. So we have to find out how many number of solution, okay, number of solution inside that interval. So let's get started our today's solution. I will explain to you all in detail the solution of our example. So here is the solution of our example. So in our example given sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x which is equal to 0. Okay, now try to simplify our trigonometric term. So sin x plus sin 5x I taken together. Why? Because of that, if you add this x plus 5x or 3x plus 5x, you may go for 3x plus 5x also, because we have to apply here one trigonometric result which says that sin a plus sin b which is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Okay, so this is the only possible way, or you may try some other way also. Okay, so you may go through some other way to find out the simplified form. Okay, so sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x, I did here sin x plus sin 5x I taken closer, sin 3x I kept it outside, and then after of that apply sin a plus sin b, sin x plus sin 5x, like 2 sin x. Now you consider here x as a 5x and y as a b as a x, because a minus b is there now, that's why it is negative sign it is coming. And even if it is negative coming, we know that cos of negative of theta, it is always cos of theta. Cos and 2, these are the two trigonometric identities that observe negative sign. Okay, so you may go through that way also. To solve one example we have multiple way, so it is completely up to you which you have to select. Okay, now sin a plus sin b which is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 and a minus b by 2, that means 5x plus x by 2 and 5x minus x by 2. Now substitute these values. Now here we can see I can substituted all these value to sin 5x plus x by 2, cos 5x minus x by 2, and the sin 3x as it is, which is equal to 0. So this is the next term of our simplified form of our trigonometric identity. So 2 sin x, 2 sin as it is 5x plus x, which is a 6x, and total divided by 2 is a 3x, and cos 5x minus x, it is a 4x by 2 which is a 2x, plus sin 3x which is equal to 0. Now here we can observe it seems like that sin 3x and sin 3x it is the same term here, so take it outside. So remaining term under bracket 2 cos 2x plus 1 which is equal to 0. Now here we can see the multiplication of a two term is a 0, that means one of the term need to be a 0 definitely. Okay, that means sin 3x need to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 need to 0. Okay, so if this is 0, then we no need for this one is 0. Okay, but we have two possibility, this one 0 or this one 0. So 2 cos 2x plus 1 is 0, that means cos 2x which is equal to negative 1 by 2. So take one positive here, we get the negative 1, and 2 denominator here. So cos 2x which is equal to negative of 1 by 2. Now apply general result. Okay, as we used to find principal general solution of our trigonometric function, we are taking these results in consideration. Okay, so sin theta 0, we use sin theta 0, then theta which is equal to n pi, that means 3x which is equal to n pi, and when cos theta which is equal to negative of 1 by 2. Now we know that negative of 1 by 2 which possesses the value of cos 2 pi by 3. Okay, so let's go for the next step. So here we have next step, 3x which is equal to n pi. So cos 2x which is equal to negative of 1 by 2, which is the cos 2 pi by 3. So you may use allied angle, or you may directly substitute the value for cos 2 pi by 3 always gives negative 1 by 2 value. Okay, so x which is equal to 3x which is equal to n pi. Then find out the value for x which is n pi by 3. Why we want the value for x? We have to figure it out the value for x where it is belong, which is given in our example. Okay, x which is equal to n by 3, n pi by 3, and 2x which is equal to when cos 2 theta which is equal to cos 2 alpha. Okay, cos theta which is equal to cos alpha, then we write theta which is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, and alpha is a 2 pi by 3, theta is a 2x. Now substitute these values to x which is equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. Now take that to outside here. We want the value for x only. So I got it here x as a n pi by 3 by using first theta. Now by using second one, take 2 here, so 2 get cancelled, so x which is equal to n pi plus minus 2 get cancelled, which remain pi by 3. So I got the two possible of values for x n pi by 3 and n pi plus minus pi by 3. Okay, but we need x which is belongs to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Now substitute the values for n here 0 1 2 3. Here similarly do it. Okay, and put these values here now and figure it out which one of the values are coming. Okay, there are multiple of value coming, but we want this value under close interval pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Okay, so there are only three values. X is a 2 pi by 3, pi and 4 pi by 3. Only three values are coming which lies inside this close interval. Okay, so our required answer is 3. Okay, 3 number of values which belongs to that interval. Okay, so it's all about for our today's example. So it's quite easy, just need to find out the solution of our trigonometric equation on some certain interval. Okay, so I hope so you all have understood my today's example. Nothing is difficult on it. So if you found anything difficult or if you have any doubts, comment me in a comment section. I will come up with the different videos. And if you have any problem related to conceptual understanding or anything, let me know in a comment section. Okay, I'm here to help you all. So thank you everyone. Thank you for my today's lecture.